Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are diving into the Samsung Galaxy M05 after using this budget-friendly smartphone for 2 months. I am here to give you my full review, what I like, what could have been better, and it's worth your money. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design and the build quality. The Galaxy M05 comes with a slim design with plastic back and plastic frame, and the font is come with the glass. It's lightweight and easy to hold. While it's not premium, it doesn't feel cheap. The Galaxy M05 comes with a 6.5-inch PLS LCD display is great for this price. Color are decent. Watching video on YouTube or Netflix have been solid experience on this budget. The smartphone resolution is 720 into 1600 pixel. So overall the smartphone display quality is great. Galaxy M05 powered by MediaTek Helio G85 with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and the smartphone running One UI 6.1 with Android 14. This smartphone okay for casual use like social media, calls, browsing, and casual game like Call of Duty Mobile. Don't expect to handle heavy gaming or multitasking too smoothly. So if you are a light user, this smartphone best choice for you. But if you are a heavy user and medium user, this phone is not for you. Let's move on the camera. The smartphone comes with a dual camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and the front is come with 8 megapixel selfie camera. This smartphone main camera you can record 1080, 30 and 60 fps video, and this is a video sample, and as you can see that the video quality is nothing special, it's average quality. Now let's talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamicness and sharpness is pretty good. At the night and low light, if you have a good lighting condition, you can take a good photo with the accurate color and details. But in the low light situation, the performance is significantly dropped. So overall, the smartphone camera quality is excellent for this price. One of the highlights on the Galaxy M05 is a 5000 mAh battery. I have been continuously getting over a day using social media, light gaming and video streaming. It's a champ for a battery life and it supports 25-watt fast charging. So after 2 months, would I recommend Galaxy M05 if you are a tight budget and need a reliable smartphone for day-to tasks? I think Galaxy M05 is the best choice for you. So that is for today's review. What do you think about Galaxy M05? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review. And I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.